this video, I'm going to teach you how to change Shikai in Type So. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. There is an option for you to change or reroll your Shikai. Each rollable Shikai weapon has multiple variants, and you can get the different variants by rolling them with either weapon rerolls or weapon appearance rerolls. Beware that if you change your weapon, your crit and by Bankai crit will change as well. So in order to find this reroll option, all that you have to do is go into the dev products. So open the menu here, go to dev products and look through all of them, and you will find some stuff related to Shikai. So you have Shikai callout reroll, Shikai /res/vote reroll, Shikai callout reroll ×5, and so on. So all that you have to do is click on any of these. When you click on them, more information will appear at the left. So in this example here, rerolls your Shikai, res, or vote, rerolls Shikai weapon 2. Resets Bankai, res, or roll progress besides stage 1, so keep that in mind. And it costs 350 Robux. So once you select the specific reroll, all that you have to do is go ahead and tap on purchase. Once you have it purchased, the reroll can be used, and you will switch or reroll the current Shikai that you have. Now, different Shikai weapons will have different reroll percentages. So for example, you will have mythics like the Odachi and the Rapier, which will only have 1%. You will change the elements depending on the reroll that you use. You will have different types of weapons and so on. So you can reroll the element, the weapon, and so on. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.